Hi guys! So in today's video I've got an IKEA haul for you. It's not a massive haul, it's just like a few little storage and organisation bits because it's January, it's that time of year for everyone to get a little bit more organised. So I went to IKEA, bought a few like storage bits and things like that, and I just thought I'd show you in this video what I picked up. It might kind of inspire you to go and take a trip to IKEA or somewhere similar to get some organisation stuff. So either way, I thought I'd show you what I got. So before I start talking too much, I'm just going to get straight into it and show you everything that I bought, and I will tell you the prices of everything as well. So the first thing I picked up is really random, but I think I can find a use for it, and it was really cheap, so I just bought it anyway. And it is just this really big top panel for the, I think it's the Besta range. It says on the box Besta. I think it's like a range of like TV cabinets or sideboards, and this is just like a top panel that you put over the top of it. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's got like a marble effect to it, and it's really big. And it said it was supposed to be £25, but it was only £5. I think it's like an end of line thing. And I just basically picked this up because I thought it's a really nice, like really decent quality flat surface, and because it's like marbled, I could maybe take photos on it or use it in videos when I'm doing like close-ups of DIYs, things like that. So I just picked it up for a £5, and I thought I could probably use that for something. If not, I can just stick it on the top of one of my tables and it will look really cute because it's just like the marble design. So yeah, really random, but it was only a £5, so I thought I'd pick that up. Next thing I got is something really random, but it's for organisation. So this is a cutlery tray for my cutlery drawer because my cutlery drawer is just an abomination at the moment. So I thought I would pick up this organiser, and this, what's this called? It's part of the Verriera range, and it's a cutlery tray and it's £9. So I just picked that up. Really boring, but I'm so excited to organise my cutlery. And then to go with that, I picked up a knife tray. So this was £5, part of the same Verriera range. So just got that from my drawer. The next thing I've got is just something that I saw in the sales section at IKEA. This was part of their Christmas range, and all their Christmas range is now heavily discounted, obviously, because it's not Christmas anymore. So these were £3.50, and they are Strala, part of the Strala range, and they're just little fairy lights. They're battery operated. They're just little round bulbs with like a white and red kind of striped cord. So really cute. I think they were supposed to be something ridiculous like £15 or something, but I definitely wouldn't pay that for these. So I just thought I will put these away for next year and hopefully put them up somewhere in my house for Christmas. I just picked up this little spray bottle. So this was £1, and it's the Tomat spray bottle. So I just picked this up for my plants. I've got a couple of little plants in the house. I've just picked up this little one behind me, and I just thought a little spray bottle is so much easier to use than like a big watering can with the little plants around the house. It's a little less messy. Just picked up a candle because you have to pick up candles from IKEA. They're just so cheap and they smell amazing. So this is the Sinlig candle, and it is the peach smell. Oh, it smells so good. The peach scents smell ridiculously close to the actual real smell of a peach. I can't believe how nice these smell, and this was only £1. Next, I picked up some small storage boxes. So these are £3 each. I already have a couple of these in my house, like in my bathroom, but I bought a few more because I want to organise all my cleaning products under the sink and put them all in little storage boxes. So like you could fit all your Zafloras in the smaller ones and sponges and things like that. So I'm really excited to organise under my sink. So yeah, I picked up 4 of those, and then I picked up 2 of the larger ones. So I think I'm gonna put like all of my bottles and like sprays and things like that in these, and then like sponges and Zafloras and things like that in the smaller ones. And the larger boxes were £5 each. So these larger ones are £5 and the smaller ones are £3.50. So yeah, I really recommend those if you want to get organised for the new year. Then I just picked up a couple of these storage boxes with lids. So these were £3 each, which actually, looking at the comparison between the two, I actually think these might be a little bit better value because these come with the lid. So although they're a little bit smaller than the other ones, they come with a lid, and you can then stack them, which you can't do with the others because they don't have lids. So yeah, £3 each. I just bought a couple of those, and I think I'm going to put perhaps makeup in these, or I might put them in my bathroom and put like tablets and stuff in them, because I don't have any sort of proper storage for that. We've lived in this house for a couple of years now and we still haven't sorted out our storage. So desperately need to do that. Oh, just found this in the bag. Picked up some gravy powder for the meatballs that they do at IKEA. We're going to try that out and see if it's, I'm assuming it's going to be the same as the stuff that they have in the restaurant. So yeah, picked up one of these. These were like 80p. And then lastly, we picked up a couple of these glass Tupperware boxes. So we picked up a square one and a rectangular one. So you actually pay separately for the glass bottom and then the plastic top, because you can get different tops to go with these. So the square bottom was £1.75, the glass one, and then for the rectangle that was £2, and then for the lids these were £1 each. And that is actually everything I bought. It doesn't actually seem like a lot now looking at it, but this year I hope to get really super organised with all of my like cleaning things and makeup and things like that. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video.